How to insert columns in MS Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy again with another tutorial. And today I'm going to be talking about the methods to insert columns in Microsoft Word. So go to one of your documents and here go to Layout. Here in Page Setup, there's an option called Columns. Here click on the drop-down menu and click on the columns of your preference. So if I click on 3, it will show you 3 columns. If you want more than 3, what you're gonna do is click on the more columns option. It will open a new dialog box for you, and here in the number of columns, you're gonna type the number of the columns you want. And that's it for how to insert columns in MS Word. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Meet you guys in the next video.